back with another gcss-army helpful tip video. So tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to clear a recoverable part from YOBUX, okay? So in order to do this, you may need certain roles such as SPO, Plan 2000, etc. But I'm going to show you what you need to do if you're in these roles to clear a recoverable part that a unit issued by accident that should have been an initial issue, and so forth, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go inside of gcss-army. All right, we're going to go to our YOBUX T code. Like my previous video, make sure you look it up. It's how to set up variants. I'm going to go get my variant. I'm going to hit execute. All right, from here it's going to pull all of the overages that are open for my variant here. Okay, come on. So the Army's goal is to return recoverable parts in under 10 days, okay? So hopefully you guys are somewhat close to that. I know sometimes it's unrealistic, but it's something we are supposed to go by. Come on. Internet's a little slow. So don't forget to hit that like button and comment button below as well. I have uploaded several videos so far. I'm still looking for ideas of what you guys want to learn. So leave me a comment. All right, so I'm looking at this lever barrel locking, okay? So in order to do this, it's pretty simple, but you should have a memo. So the memo, let me show you an example of a memo that you can use. Share video. All right, so basically memorandum for record, initial issue, okay, justification. So make sure the unit has a good justification on why they're saying it's an initial issue, okay? So most organizations, their memos will be different, but for our organization, we require nomenclature, the NIN, the document number, the quantity, and a justification, okay? So let's go back to gcss-army, and I will show you guys how to clear it. All right, so we're here again, okay? So basically, reason for deletion, okay? You're gonna go over here, Z1, Z3, Z4, Z5. Okay, so the reason for the justification is decrease in stock. They want to stock this item. So you'll put the reason for deletion in. You will highlight the row. You're going to delete the purchase requisition. You'll hit OK. PR was deleted successfully. So it is completely gone on the recoverable listing or ORIL. All right. That is how you clear a part for initial issue using YOBUX at the SPO level. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please hit that like button and subscribe and leave me a comment. Go Ordnance.